Maths is not available. So I am continuing with maths. Today we are going to see the basic concepts of trigonometry. What is trigonometry? In this word, tri means three, gona means sides, and metry means measurements. Three sides measurements, three side closed figure. The figure in which three sides are closed is called triangle. Therefore, this trigonometry we apply in right angle triangle. Let us check. Here I draw one right angle triangle, triangle ABC. Right angle triangle means one angle is always 90 degree. We know that here. This angle B is 90 degree. Angle B equals to 90 degree. Let us consider angle C equals to theta. We consider angle C equals to theta. What is the measurement of A? Let us calculate. We know that sum of all three angles of triangle is 180. Therefore, here angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. This angle A we have to calculate. B measurement 90 degree, C theta degree, here 180 degree. Now when this 90 and theta shift towards right hand side, plus will become minus. We get A equals to 180 minus 90 minus theta. Now 180 minus 90 is 90 and minus theta as it is theta degree. Therefore, we have angle A equals to 90 minus theta degree. Now let us check different trigonometric ratios. All of you know that first ratio is sine theta. We go for sine, then tan, then cos, then tan, cosec, sec, and cot. What is sine theta? I consider angle C here, and we find the all trigonometric ratios for this angle C, that is having measurement theta degree. We know that sine theta equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. I'm again repeating, sine equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Therefore, we know that the side opposite to theta here is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, I write here AB upon AC. Then cos theta, second ratio, equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now side adjacent to this angle theta is BC, and we know that hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, cos theta equals to BC upon AC. Then tan theta, the formula is opposite side upon adjacent side. The side opposite to angle theta already we know AB, and adjacent is BC. Next ratio is cosec theta. Now for cosec theta, formula is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Here hypotenuse is AC and side opposite to angle theta is AB. Therefore here I write AB. Then next ratio, sec theta. Formula is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side is BC. Then cot theta. Formula for cot theta is opposite side, adjacent side upon opposite side. Side opposite adjacent to angle theta is BC and opposite is AB. These are basic trigonometric ratio or trigonometric ratios of trigonometry for angle theta. Now here we observe sin theta is AB upon AC and cosec theta equals to AC upon AB. That means they are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, if you multiply sin theta into cosec theta, what we get? AB upon AC into AC upon AB. They are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, product equals to 1. Sin theta equals to cosec theta. We get 1. Now, again next, cos theta BC upon AC and sec theta AC upon BC. They are also reciprocal of each other. Therefore, if I multiply cos theta with sec theta, I get same answer 1. Now remaining two ratios, which are the tan theta and cot theta. If you observe, again values are AB upon BC, BC upon AB, reciprocal of each other. Here we get tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. Another way, sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta and vice versa. That is cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta or sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta and tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta or cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta. These are all basic trigonometric ratios and formulas here I am giving. Now if we go for this angle 90 minus tan theta, that is angle A, what do we get? Sin theta equals to, we know that opposite upon hypotenuse. For 90 minus theta angle, opposite side is BC. Opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is same AC. We get BC upon AC. So angle is 90 minus theta. Angle A, sin 90 minus theta. Now for cos 90 minus theta, what do we get? We know the formula, same adjacent side upon hypotenuse, but for 90 minus theta, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse remains same AC. Then tan 90 minus theta, formula is opposite upon adjacent. For 90 minus theta, opposite side is BC, adjacent is AB. Here we get BC upon AB. Now, cosec theta, you know that cosec 90 minus theta, you know that cosec is reciprocal of sine. You get same thing AC upon BC, or in other words, cosec is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Then sec theta 90 minus theta, same thing reciprocal of cos AC upon AB, and cot 90 minus theta, we get reciprocal of tan, that is AB upon BC. Now if you observe here, cos 90 minus theta value is BC upon AC, sin 90 minus theta, sorry, BC upon AC. Same thing here I observe, cos theta also BC upon AC. Therefore, sin 90 minus theta is nothing but what? Cos theta. If you go further, cos 90 minus theta value is AB upon AC, where we observe here AB upon AC. That is for sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Same thing, tan 90 minus theta, BC upon AB, and we have cot theta equals to BC upon AB. Here we get cot theta. Now, cosec 90 minus theta, AC upon BC. AC upon BC is value of sec theta. Therefore, cosec 90 minus theta equals to sec theta. Here we get sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta, and cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Get some more formulas here. Sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, and cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Now let us check some values for this sin cos, some trigonometric values for sin cos tan for some special angles, that is from 0 to 90 degree, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Here I am going to draw table for that. Zero degree, then 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree, and last one is 90 degree. First issue is sin theta. Sin 0, then we are going to write sin 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now here I am going to give you trick how to find or how to remember these ratios. For that, for the idea, I will give you the trick for sin 0, sin 30, 45, 60, 90. Then we can easily remember all the remaining values. The idea for that, the trick is sin theta, sin 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Here I write 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. From 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now divide this each number by 4. And find the square root of all these numbers. Now what is the answer of these roots? These are the values of sin 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Let us find out. Sin 0 by 4 is 0 and square root of 0 is 0. Therefore sin theta equals to 0. Sin 0 degree is 0. Value of sin 0 degree is 0. I go for 30 degree. We know that square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. Therefore sin 30 equals to 1 by 2. Here I cancel out this. We know that 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Now square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2, don't know exactly value, therefore I write here root 2. Therefore sin 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2. And for 60 degree, root 3 as it is, square root of 4 is 2. Therefore sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Then here 4 1s are 4 1s are minus 1. Square root of 1 is 1. That means sin 90 degree equals to 1. Again, I am repeating, I am explaining how to remember the values of sin 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. For that, write down 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide each number by 4 and find the square root. The values what we get, these are the values of sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree and sin 90 degree. Now, next ratio is cos theta. Now, for that cos theta, we know that here I am going to explain one formula here. We have sin theta equals to, already we see sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Therefore, sin 0 equals to cos 90 minus 0. That gives you cos 90 degree. Then sin next 30 degree equals to cos 90 minus 30, that is cos 60 degree. Sin 45 degree equals to cos 45 minus 45. Cos 90 minus 45, that is cos 45 degree. Then sin 60 degree equals to cos 90 minus 60, that is cos 30 degree. 90 minus 60 is 30, and then last sin 90 degree equals to cos 90 minus 90 equals to cos 0 degree. Again I am repeating, sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta, already we have the formula. Then sin 0 equals to cos 90 minus 0, cos 90. Sin 30 equals to cos 60, 45 equals to cos 45, sin 60 equals to cos 30, and sin 90 equals to cos 0. If you observe here 0 and 90, total is 90. 30 degree, 60 degree, again total is 90. That means sin, any angle of sin equals to cos 90 minus 30. If we have sin 10, then what is the 90 minus 10? Value is 80, therefore we get cos 80 and like that. Now we are again come back to this table. We have sin 0 equals to cos 90. That means value of cos 90 and sin 0 remains same. Therefore here value is 0. Then sin 30 equals to cos 60. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. I write here for cos 60, that is 1 by 2. Then sin 45 equals to cos 45. The value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Here I write 1 by root 2. Then sin 60 equals to cos 30. Therefore cos 30 equals to value of sin 60, that is root 3 by 2. And here sin last 90 equals to cos 0. Cos 0 equals to sin 90, value is 1. That means what we observe here, value for sin 0 to 90, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. For cos, we write this in opposite order. That means 1 comes here, then root 3 by 2 here, then 1 by root 2 as it is, then 1 by 2 and 0. Then we go for tan theta. Here one more formula I am going to explain you. Tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Ratio of sin and cos gives you tan. So let us find, divide this. Sin 0 upon 1 gives you tan theta, that is tan 0. 0 upon 1 we have 0. Then for tan 30 degree, sin 30 upon cos 30, divide this, here 2 get cancelled, we get 1 by root 3. For tan 45, sin upon cos, value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. If we divide same number, we get answer is 1. Now here root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. Tan 60 equals to sin 60 upon cos 60. When we divide these 2 get cancelled, we get here root 3. And here last one, sin tan 90, sin 90 upon cos 90, 1 by 0. Any number divided by 0 does not exist, therefore here does not exist. Value of tan 90 does not exist. Now next one, we go for cosec theta. We know that cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. Value of cosec is reciprocal of sin theta, that is reverse way. Sin 0 is 0 degree. Cosec theta, reciprocal of that, sin 0 means 0 upon 1. Therefore cosec theta is 1 upon 0. Here I write does not exist. Then cosec 30 degree, reciprocal of sin 30, 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, that is 2. Then cosec 45 degree, reciprocal of sin 45, 1 by root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Cosec 60 degree, reciprocal of sin 60, 2 by root 3. And last one, cosec 90 is reciprocal of sin 90. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Then next ratio is sec theta, and we have sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. That means all the values of sec theta is equals to reciprocal of same angle of cos theta. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. For 30 degree, root 3 by 2, it will become 2 by root 3. Then for 45 degree, 1 by root 2, reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Here 1 by 2 is there, you get 2, and your last value is 0, reciprocal of 0, 1 by 0, that is does not exist. And last ratio, cot theta. We know that cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta. That means reciprocal of all values of tan theta. Tan 0 is 0, therefore cot theta equals to 1 upon 0 does not exist. Then 1 by root 3, reciprocal is root 3 for cot 45, tan 45 is 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Your root 3 is there, that is root 3 by 1, therefore cot 60 equals to 1 by root 3. And last one does not exist, means here 1 upon 0, it will become 0 upon 1, you get 0. Or cot theta equals to reverse order of tan theta, that is here does not exist, then root 3 here, then 1 here, 1 by root 3 and 0. Same thing for cosec and sec. Here 1 comes here, 2 by root 3 here, then root 2 as it is, then 2 and does not exist. Here I show you how to remember all the trigonometric ratios for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. That is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now we move further. Move for what is the position of angles, the values of angle in coordinate system. Where I draw two axes. Here you know that this one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. This angle is 0 degree, then 90 degree, here 180 degree, then 270 degree, and here last is 360 degree. Because when these two axes are perpendicular, each angle is increased by 90 degree. 0 to 90, 90 to 180. This one we call as first quadrant. Here this is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. We know that this is origin 0, 0. On right hand side of x-axis, we get all positive values. Therefore, this one is positive. Left hand side of x-axis, negative. Values above x-axis, that is upward side of y-axis, positive, and below x-axis is negative. Now, in this way, when we consider any point on first quadrant, x positive and y positive. First we write always x coordinate and then y positive, and this one is positive. Here we get x negative and y positive. Here both are negative because this is negative direction of x-axis, this one is negative direction of y-axis. Here x positive and y negative. These are the position of first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both x and y are positive. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Here x and y both negative. Here x positive and y negative. Now I am going to draw here one right angle triangle. This angle is theta. Here origin O, I write here A, and this point we consider as P. The coordinates of P we consider x, comma, y. Since P is in first quadrant, both the values are positive. That means this distance equals to x and this one equals to y. This hypotenuse OP we consider as R. Now let us check. This angle is 90, sorry, and this angle we consider as theta d. Different trigonometric ratio here again. We have sine theta equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is y upon r. Then cos theta equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side of this theta is x and hypotenuse is r. Here we get x by r. From that we get, if this r shifted here, here we get y equals to r sine theta and x equals to r cos theta. Now coordinates of P are x and y, but value of x is r cos theta, therefore I write here r cos theta and here I write r sine theta. These are the values of P in terms of hypotenuse, this and angle theta. X equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sine theta. Now let us move further. We are going to find this ratio sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec between 0 to 90. Value of that trigonometric ratio 0 to 90, then 90 to 180, then 180 to 270 and 270 to 360. Now here we know that in first quadrant x and y both are positive. We know that r is the length of hypotenuse. Length, we know that length is always positive, therefore value of r always remains positive. Now in first quadrant x positive, y positive. Now what is sine theta? Sine theta equals to y upon r. Sine theta equals to y upon r. Y is positive, r also positive. Therefore in first quadrant sine theta we get positive value. Sine theta is always positive. That means value of sine from 0 to 90 always we get positive value. Then we go for cos theta. Cos theta equals to x upon r. Again we know that in first quadrant x is positive, r always positive. Therefore cos theta also we get positive. Therefore value of cos for 0 to 90 degree always having positive value. Now when we know sine and cos, we can easily find out all the remaining trigonometric ratio, because we know that tan theta equals to sine upon cos. Sine positive, cos positive, tan positive. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Sine is positive, therefore cosec also positive. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cos positive, that means sec also positive. Then cot theta, we know that tan positive here, therefore cot also positive. Therefore in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios value are positive. That means any angle trigonometric ratio between 0 to 90 for all the trigonometric ratios are always positive. Now we move further to a second quadrant that is between 90 to 180. Here we know that x negative and y positive. Now what is the formula for sine theta? From here, y upon r. Here y positive and x negative, therefore y upon r, y positive and r also positive, therefore sine theta positive. Then move for cos theta. What is cos theta? X upon r. In second quadrant, that is between 90 to 180 degree, x is negative in second quadrant and r is positive. Therefore here we get cos theta negative. Now as sine positive, cos negative. But what is for tan theta? Tan theta is sine upon cos negative. What about cosec theta? Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta, therefore cosec theta is positive. Then sec theta is reciprocal of cos, therefore sec theta negative here, and tan negative as then cot also negative. Therefore value of sine and cosec between 90 to 180 always positive. Then for cos and sec negative, and for tan and cot negative. Understand? Then we move for third quadrant, 180 degree to 270 degree. Now we know that here x negative, y also negative. So what we get here? First ratio, sine theta equals to y upon r. Y negative or and r positive, we get sine theta equals to negative. Then we go for cos theta. Cos theta is x upon r, x negative, r positive, we get cos negative. Same way, tan theta. Let us check what is tan theta. Tan is sine upon cos. Here minus minus get cancelled. We get tan theta always positive. That means any angle between 180 to 270 degree, the trigonometric ratio for sine is negative, cos is negative, and tan is positive. As sine negative, we know that sine equals to reciprocal of cosec, cosec negative, cos negative, sec also negative, and tan positive, that means cot positive. That means in third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, sine, cosec, cos and sec are negative. Only tan and cot positive, remaining all four are negative. Now let us move further in the fourth quadrant. Here x is positive, y is negative. Now you can easily find out all the ratios. Sine theta equals to y upon r. Y negative, r positive, we get sine theta negative. Cos theta equals to x upon r. X is positive, r is positive, cos theta positive. Tan theta is sine upon cos minus upon plus, we get negative. Then sine negative, that means cosec theta also negative. Here sec theta positive and cot theta again negative. That means between 270 to 360 degree, that is in fourth quadrant, any values of sine and cosec negative, cos and sec are positive, tan and cot are negative. Understand this concept? In first quadrant, value of all trigonometric ratios 0 to 90 degree, the angle between 0 to 90 degree, all ratios are positive. Here all are positive. All trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, if you observe sine positive and cos, sec, tan, cot negative. Only sine theta and cosec theta positive. In which quadrant? Second quadrant. That means angle between 90 to 180 degree. Trigonometric ratio for sine theta and cos theta values are always positive. Cosec theta, sorry. And remaining cos, sec, tan and cot are negative. Then if you move for third quadrant, between 180 to 270 degree, what we get? Only tan and cot are positive. Only tan theta and cot theta are positive. Remaining all are negative. Sine, cosec, cos and sec are negative. Only tan and cot are positive. Between 180 to 270. Move further, 270 to 360. What do we observe here? Cos and sec. Only cos and sec are positive. Only cos theta and sec theta are positive. Remaining all sine, cosec, tan and cot are negative. Clear this? That means in If I go for coordinate system, all are positive, sine and cosec are positive, cos and sec are positive, and here tan and cot are positive. So I'll give you a simple idea how to remember this. All of you must know. Here I write all silver, here tan positive, sorry, and here cot positive, all silver tea cups. How to remember? From this first quadrant to fourth quadrant in anti-clockwise direction, if you move, all silver tea cups. All are positive. Here silver we consider only as A. As for sine, if sine positive is cosec positive, obviously. Here T, tan and cot positive. Here C, cos and sec are positive. All silver teacups. You can go for any other shortcut, any other names also here. All science teachers are clever like that. Okay, these are all about basic trigonometry. Today we are going to see. Thank you for attending this hangout session. We'll give you the information for remaining lectures also. And if you want to watch, go for more lectures, please visit our website www.upsc-guru.com or our YouTube channel UPSC-Guru. There you will get more videos, more lectures in free of cost. If you go for paid version, go to our website and check the how to go for paid version. You get that also, that full set of lectures. Thank you for that. Thank you.